Fiber laser metal cutting machine. Fiber laser machine can cut metal sheet, also designed for metal tube cutting. With rotary attachment, the laser machine can handle a lot of different sizes and shapes of tubes. From less than an inch all the way up to 9 inches, cut the diameter of the tube you need. Rectangular tubes can also be cut up to 9 inches across. Length is no issue either. Standard tubing of 24 feet is easily taken care of. Laser tube cutting works on a wide range of materials, such as carbon steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and titanium. Because laser tube cutters are so precise and flexible, they are also extremely efficient. Tubes cut with these machines do not need any extra processing after the cut. The cuts are clean and precise, so there are no leftover materials to remove. Cutting to length and doing complex designs are done with one machine. There are no additional tools needed. This means you don't have to change out pieces or parts, so your workflow is improved. By using one piece of raw metal for all parts, laser tube cutters reduce the waste. This reduces the cost of your project. The precision of cutting from a laser tube cutter means no secondary operation is needed. The parts are ready to use or assemble once they come off the cutter. As you can see, for all your tube cutting needs, a laser tube cutter is the way to go. With so many options in what you can cut and how you can cut it, these tools offer you unparalleled flexibility. The efficiencies you gain from automation and precision allow you to maximize your production workflow. When you're looking to find a laser tube cutting machine, we've got you covered. Our team of experts has years of experience machine building and customers like you. Contact us today to learn more about fiber laser cutting machine. We'll be happy to assist you and find the best laser tube cutting machine for your needs.